Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to make this super cute watermelon pencil sharpener. To make this, I'm gonna recycle two old EOS containers, a green and a red one. Just simply take the bottom from the green EOS and match it with the top of the red one. You could just use a green EOS and paint the top with red or pink paint, but since I have both of the colors here, I'm gonna mix and match them. For the first step, we'll need some nail polish. Take some dark green nail polish and draw wiggly lines that go towards the bottom of the base. Once you're done with that, use a toothpick to help draw thinner lines in the middle of those big lines. Wait for it to dry and then top it with a coat of clear nail polish. Instead of holding your EOS, you can also just let it sit to dry on a bottle cap. Once it's dry, add some watermelon seeds on the red top using a toothpick dipped in black nail polish and just let it dry. Okay, let's move on to the sharpener part. When the nail polish has dried, open your EOS container. Here I'm using a pair of cutting pliers to cut the grade off of the divider. For the pencil to go through, use a tip of a hot glue gun to create a hole right in the center of the base. What you want to do is to hold the tip right there for about 2 minutes. It also helps when you press and give it a little twist. The heated metal tip will melt the plastic and create a hole like this. After trimming off the excess plastic with a knife, you end up with something like this. The next step is to apply some glue to a sharpener and glue it on the base like so. Finally, put the lid back on and there you have it, your very own watermelon pencil sharpener for back to school. I hope you'll give this idea a try and get a lot of use out of it. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed this and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.